Sensory Integration AI. Here is your same structured, beginner-friendly content. 4. Sensory Integration AI. Beginner level, introduction. Sensory Integration AI means using artificial intelligence to combine multiple sensory inputs, like vision, sound, touch, and sensors, to understand the world better, just like humans use. Eyes means to see. Ears means to hear. Skin means to feel. AI systems can use cameras, vision, microphones, audio, sensors, temperature, motion, GPS. By combining these, AI can make more accurate and intelligent decisions. Examples include self-driving cars using cameras plus radar plus LiDAR, smart assistants understanding voice plus context, robots reacting to touch plus vision, healthcare AI combining scans plus patient data. This topic helps beginners understand how AI systems can perceive the world like humans using multiple senses. What is sensory integration AI? Sensory integration AI is the process of combining multiple types of input data to create a unified understanding. In simple words, sensory integration AI equals AI that combines different inputs to understand better. Key idea. Instead of next, using one input, only text or only image, AI does combine multiple inputs, understand context better, make smarter decisions. Types of sensory inputs. Input type example, vision, camera images, audio, voice, sound, touch, pressure sensors, motion, movement sensors, environment, temperature, light, location, GPS data. Example of sensory data. Sensor data equals vision, person detected, audio, voice detected, temperature, 30. Integration vision equals person. Audio equals hello. If vision equals person and audio equals hello, print person is greeting. Simple sensory integration example, Python. Temperature equals 30, motion equals true. If temperature equals 25 and motion, print activity detected. How sensory integration AI works. Step 1. Collect inputs. Vision equals object. Audio equals sound. Step 2. Process each input. Print, processing vision and audio. Step 3. Combine inputs. If vision equals object, print, object detected. Step 4. Make decision, based on combined data. Step 5. Take action. Print, action executed. AI in robotics. Robots use multiple sensors. Touch equals true, vision equals obstacle. If touch or vision equals obstacle, print, stop movement. AI in self-driving cars. Cars combine sensors. Camera equals car ahead. Radar equals distance 10 meters. Print, camera, radar. AI in smart homes. AI reacts to environment. Motion equals true, light equals dark. If motion and light equals dark, print, turn on lights. AI in healthcare. AI combines patient data. Heart rate equals 120, temperature equals 38. If heart rate greater than 100 and temperature greater than 37, print possible health issue. AI detects threats. Camera equals movement, sound equals noise. If camera and sound, print alert triggered. Full menu-based sensory integration example. Def process vision. Vision equals input, enter vision input. Print vision. Def process audio. Audio equals input, enter audio input. Print audio. Def combine inputs. Vision is input, enter vision. Audio is input, enter audio. If vision equals audio, print inputs match. Else, print different inputs. While true, print N1 process vision. Print 2 process audio. Print 3 combine inputs. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, process vision. Elif choice equals 2, process audio. Elif choice equals 3, combine inputs. Elif choice equals 4, break. else print invalid choice. Sensor fusion, multimodal data, AI perception, decision-making, real-world AI systems, automation, real-life analogy. Sensory integration AI is like a human using all senses together. Example: seeing a person, seeing them speak, understanding the situation. AI combines inputs the same way. Ways to improve a project: use sensor data, IoT devices, combine image plus audio models, use deep learning for fusion, add real-time processing, build robotics applications, integrate APIs, use multimodal datasets, optimize performance, and avoid common mistakes beginners make. X, using only one data source, ignoring data synchronization, poor data quality, overcomplicating integration, not handling noise where it is used. Robotics, autonomous vehicles, smart homes, healthcare systems, security systems, industrial automation, IoT systems, AR/VR applications. Large systems may include sensor fusion engines, multimodal AI models, real-time processing systems, autonomous systems. Simple definition: sensory integration AI. The use of AI to combine multiple sensory inputs to understand and interact with the environment. Final summary: sensory integration AI allows machines to combine multiple inputs, capital, understand environments better, capital, make smarter decisions, capital. It is a key step toward advanced, human-like AI systems.